My mom will go blind soon. So I took my pride down to ask for help, and thankfully strangers have donated for immediate surgery. Free surgery hospitals takes time to be approved, so I needed it ASAP. My mom is 56. She has rare eye cataract condition, where there are no symptoms of going blind, and she has clear pupils, as you can see. Her cataract was behind her eyeballs, they say, and they had difficulty to find it. That's why we were not prepared and shocked that she woke up one night and she said her left, "I can't see anything." She has no diabetes nor any other medical condition. Thank you to those who have helped. Her surgery is soon. We'll update. Today is the day for left eye cataract surgery. To people who have donated once again, thank you so much on this urgent time. This is how the right eye vision looks like as sample, if you are curious. God suddenly spoke his presence to say be still because we're actually nervous.
Ba't nandito ka?
Even the cat with 9 lives trying to comfort us.
Ryan, nang-guide ka ba? Oo, labas na po sa.
If you wish to donate for the right eye surgery and medication, polls PM my TikTok. I can't post my cash number because I get scam calls. It's about time. Your prayers helps. Stay tuned for results of operation. How did eye surgery felt and went?
Ano, kamusta?
Wala. Na-effect pa yung anesthesia.
Kamusta daw opera?
Ayun, monitoring yung BP ko. Tapos, yung medyo ninervous na ako nung tinakpan na yung mata ko. Nilagyan na ng yung parang pang sa opera. Yung ito lang yung nakabukas, may cloth dito, tapos may
Nakakatakot.
tapos yung naramdaman ko na yung kinakalikot na nila. Tapos biglang mayroong kulang kumano sa mata ko, sa vision ko. Sabi ko, yung dugo ko kumalat na.
No!
Tapos nararamdaman ko yung hinihiwa-hiwa na nila. Tapos naramdaman ko na yung tinusok na yung kinukuha na yung salamin ng mata ko, yung harap tsaka yung likod. Tapos basta marami silang pinakalikot. Tapos pag after nun, sinabihan ako na, before pala sinabihan na ako na medyo masakit, medyo mararamdaman mo pero relax ka lang. Kasi eto na yung medyo delikadong part, sabi ng doktor. So, yun na yun, alam ko na yun, yung tatanggalin na nila. Sabi, ibig sabihin, naka-pull out na yung eyeball ko.
Yeah! Hindi ko kaya!
Tapos ngayon, yung ikakabit naman na nila yung lens, ayun, sinabihan ulit ako na medyo, relax lang. So, medyo, alam ko naman yung ginagawa